am Narasimha, a professor at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, the premier institute for research in basic sciences in India. I was born and brought up in a remote village in northern Kerala, where access to school in the rainy season was not easy. But the school did teach education is not getting marks, but molding a child into a responsible human being. I did my Masters of Science in the Physics Department of Calicut University, where we students working together late nights learned that science is a way of life. I was fortunate to get admitted to the theoretical astrophysics group of Professor Narlikar at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, where I did my doctoral thesis with Professor Chitre, all of them awardees of Padma. There I developed the gravitational lens code from scratch, which involved complex concepts of things like singularity theory. Gravitational lensing, the bending of light by an intervening object, is a famous prediction of general relativity of Einstein, which can give rise to multiple images of a background source. Once the code was a success, we could predict positions of lensing galaxies or galaxy clusters and phenomena like Einstein ring or giant arcs. I was moved when recently Professor Anthony Reedhead of California Institute of Technology, who pioneered aperture synthesis radio astronomy in the 1970s, told that he studied our papers on lensing of the 1980s, and with some help from us, he can detect what we predicted as milli-lensing at that time. I am happy that my Indo-French project with Dr. Mellier of IAP Paris on gravitational lensing was considered by CEFIPRA as one of their most successful projects during their 25 years of history. Apart from research, I am heavily involved in teaching in the institute and outside. At the Mumbai University Physics Department, we started astronomy course, where starting from designing the syllabus, I was heavily involved in most activities for a decade. I also tried similar thing at other places, and as a resource person of Inspire program of DST, I interact with students all over India. Now, right now, my one ambition is to start an observational astronomy research program in northern Kerala. Outside Thiruvananthapuram, there is hardly any astronomy program in Kerala. If my pet project to study supernova through lensing by rich galaxy clusters becomes successful, it could open a new window to study the earliest structures at the dawn of structure formation.